Hey, so today we need to get some cleaning done. I'm thinking of the sitting room for right now. It's probably a deep clean. I'm probably just going to do it section by section by section. It's not going to be all done in one day because that's way too overwhelming. So let's start with a cup of tea. It's on, it's brewing. I'm going to start in this corner. Let me show you the state of all of this area. We have all of this. This is also from, sorry, all this crap from the kitchen because I just did that. This is the area that we're going to do. I have a plant over there that's dying. Everything, all my plants are dying. Here. I'm thinking of trying to put the standing table here. So I need to go into the bedroom, empty it all out, and then bring it back in here. Great, so this is what I'm going to try and move in. I'm probably going to get something to cover this just because it does get stained very easily. I know I could stain it, but it's so discolored anyway. I think it's just better just to cover it. I need to try to take down these Christmas decorations that I put up 2 years ago.
One of my 50 to 60 media people also want to donate. It's a fishbowl. High caffeine content. We were eating chicken fried steak for dinner. Food was not good for us.
Cool. I'm gonna sit down for a while. What's over here? Everything is so dusty. The diffuser diffused onto the fan. More. My face imprint. I smacked it off my face. Cool. This is what the state of the place is. There's my dyeing pants. Lots of boxes on the floor. This here is okay. This is fine. But then we have this. Time to do my washing. So great, so I have one load here. Hopefully I get it washed today. I'm just gonna put this into the room because the washing machine is full. I'm just gonna get a plastic bag and go for it. Go. Everything I take, I need to put in its place. Bitch. Very nice.
I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I got the energy to move. And I go back to
Poor plant.
but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's still now that I'm stuck in my bed. Now that I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. Home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't want to submit it on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop going stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more thing, I'll be set.
My plants are finally coming back to life. Not that one.
Day and night, never feeling my best, I know. Oh, well.
Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please let me know and maybe hit that subscribe button if you do. Thanks so much for being here and see you in the next one. Bye.